California is a place of beauty, history, and resilience. But when homes face challenges, whether from age, disaster, or the need for a fresh start, you need a builder you can trust. At Smith & Cell Construction, we specialize in rebuilding homes in Los Angeles and Orange County. We deliver expert craftsmanship and high-quality custom construction tailored to your needs. Homeowners in Los Angeles and Orange County trust us because we bring decades of expertise in home rebuilding, deep knowledge of California's complex building regulations, sustainable and fire-resistant construction, a seamless process that makes your rebuild stress-free. Our process is designed to make rebuilding simple and efficient. Step 1, consultation and site assessment. We listen to your vision. Step 2, design and engineering, smart, sustainable, and resilient construction. Step 3, planning and permitting. We handle the paperwork. Step 4, construction and project management, precision and quality from start to finish. Step 5, final touches and move-in, attention to every detail. Whether it's blending historic charm with modern efficiency in Altadena, or crafting premium coastal homes built for resilience in Laguna Beach, we create homes that last for generations.
Smith & Cell took care of everything. From permits to the final details, they made building easy and stress-free. Our home is exactly what we dreamed of and more.
We understand that losing a home to the recent fires in Altadena and Pacific Palisades is more than just losing a structure. It's losing a place filled with memories, security, and comfort. Our hearts go out to you during this difficult time, and we want you to know that you're not alone. If you're ready to rebuild, we're here to help turn devastation into a fresh start. At Smith & Cell Construction, we do more than build houses. We create lasting relationships founded on trust, quality, and craftsmanship. Please fill out the form below or give us a call to take the first step toward restoring your home and rebuilding your future.